Well, welcome to the first session. My name is Dan Pitt. I'm vice chair of this summit and executive director of the Open Networking Foundation. And our topic this morning is the power of SDN. And that means, in my view, what fundamental changes to networking does it bring about for the benefit of people that use networks? So we have three very distinguished speakers this morning. And our first one is Nick McKeown, one of the godfathers of this whole movement. I've known Nick since 1989 and have loved working with him for many years. Never at the, well, he actually reported to me when he first came here. He was working for Hewlett-Packard Laboratories in Bristol, and I was at HP Labs Palo Alto. He came here to get his PhD at Berkeley under the sponsorship or something of HP. So they said, well, you got a local manager, and it's Dan. And so he would show up once in a while, not nearly as often as I wanted him to, and I tried to put him to work. He's a very independent guy. He said, no, I've got some good projects of my own. And sure enough, he went off and has done those. So he got his PhD at Berkeley, and then he joined the faculty at Stanford, which is a great position, but that wasn't enough for Nick. He had to do some stuff on the side. So he had little summer jobs here and there. I think he was a waiter somewhere, and then he designed the backplane to the GSR 12,000 one summer jobs like that. He's also started a couple of companies. He started Abrizio, which was sold to PMC Sierra, and he started Nemo, which was sold to Cisco. And these were very successful startups. They had found success in the market, and they brought good returns for their investors and founders. And after he sold these companies and he'd taken leave from Stanford, he went back, to get tenure and to teach. And I said, Nick, you've made a big success here already, and you're successful in every measure. Why are you going back to teach at Stanford? And he said, because now I can afford to. So this is what he loves. He's one of these academics who does really great publishable research, brings in a lot of grant money, and changes the market and influences the industry. Continuing to do that with this entire clean slate program resulting in SDN and OpenFlow. So it's my pleasure to welcome my old friend, Nick McKeown.
Thanks, Dan.